job evaluation. Job evaluation is a way of breaking down the jobs in a measurable path, so that each job can be given a point system. To do this job evaluation, job will look all the aspects of the job. In other words, it is a process of systematically determining the relative worth of job to create a job structure. For that, organization depends upon the requirement of a job. The major decision in job evaluation is to determine overall status and objective, that is to get a right person with the right skill at the right place and the right time. All jobs in the organization are evaluated using agreed job evaluation. It is concerned with the job and not with the people. It is not the person that is being evaluated. It is based on the judgment and is not scientific.
Ravi, is it stress?
Yeah.
One that you are not good working environment.
The job evaluation methods are legal requirement, organization structure, management style, employment relations, and the last but not the least, cost in time and money. My friend Abid will explain about it. As Ravi told you, right, job evaluation is a systematic process which is used to determine pay and the way to decide how much to pay. Basically, I will tell you about the key steps for the process of job evaluation. First of all, this is gathering information about the job, what the job is all about. Secondly, select people who will be doing the job evaluation. They should have the required skills and the knowledge of how to evaluate the job. Secondly, thirdly, they should evaluate the job using the job evaluation system. Each job should be ranked and should be given a grade according to the job evaluation system. Fourth is then review the results. So whatever after the job evaluation, just review the results and just for the consistency and for the results. Now the example which I will give you is for the University of East London, which was established in 1992, and they have a huge number of employees working and before you do EL, and they use the system called here, the higher education growth analysis, which helps them to just to grade the number of employees and for the pay structure as well. One of the main criticism for the job evaluation system is that they should focus on the market rates. They shouldn't be comparing jobs and ranking jobs against each other within the organization. But they should look what the market rates are for the job and then pay according to it.
Hello everyone, I am Prajosh Prabhakaran. I will be talking about the benefits and the advantages of job evaluation. Basically, job evaluation is just not something that determines the actual pay. It is something a different operation that negotiates between the employees as well as the management. This is a simple definition of job evaluation. And about advantages of job evaluation. Previously, it was job evaluation was moreover commonly performed on the white collar jobs. But now the scenario has been changed. Like there was a kind of restriction with the job evaluation, that job evaluation was done only on white collar jobs and white collar employees rather than the manual workers. But recently, however, it is seen that a considerable increase regarding the use of job evaluation in all kinds of employees has been seen. The basic reason behind this is the grading structure. Grading structure is exactly the same, that reflects actual importance or the relative importance of a particular job that is performed in an organization. I would like to share an example of one of my uncles. He was a senior supervisor in the Middle East. The name of the country is Dubai.
Dubai.
The name of the organization is, it is a sister origin of Sharjah Cement Factory. So in Sharjah Cement Factory, there exists a wide range of disputes regarding the grading level. So this particular and a conflict has been started. So now when the company has started evaluating job, it is seen that, like I will like to share an example that is about bonus. Previously, in the same company, bonuses were given on the basis of tenure, not on the basis of performance, and this caused like all the new employees, they have started